Hello everyone. This is Fairy. I'm sorry that I am out of the country right now, so I can only use this way to make a short presentation of my work in progress for the assignment 3, my design proposal. Yes, in this design proposal, I am focusing on the same platform I studied about in the assignment 2, the autoethnography project. So I am studying the same platform, 马蜂窝, which is one of the most famous travel sharing online platform like TripAdvisor, something similar to that in China. Before I actually step into the design component of my proposal, I'm going to talk about a little bit about the good features of Mafengwo. So the first one is Mafengwo has a really simple but clear structure. It has two parts of the website. One part is the main menu. So you can include homepage, destination, the tips, market where you can buy travel plans or other stuff for traveling, and you can book hotel, buy tickets there. And the other one is a personal menu. That is a personal homepage. Then you can write about yourself, introduce your travel notes, and ask questions, or you can also add it about your reviews you have submitted before. And the second good feature will be the creative travel panel. Travel note writing panels. I think one of the most successful points in the user interface design platform work is that they use really big logos. So even people with visual impairments, they can easily capture the location and click, and they will never miss a stop. And also for the travel notes writing panels, you can easily adjust the order of your other parts of the travel notes. For example, that's the screenshot of my travel notes writing panel. I can adjust the order simply by drag this part into the end or in the middle. So um, because this design proposal focus on inclusive design, so I divided my design proposal into three parts of responding to the three dimensions of inclusive design. The first one is recognize diversity and uniqueness. So that's dimension one for inclusive design. And I think responding to this dimension, Mafengwo has a really big challenge in language because I have to say it may be niche community of a relatively big scale, but in the context, like in the perspective from inclusive design, it is not inclusive enough because it's Chinese only, and all the users they are posted in Chinese, and all the content that's in Chinese, so it's only for Chinese speaking users. And my solution will be maybe to start offering multiple language settings like Facebook or Twitter. So they have different language settings, but as they gain more users, so users from other parts of the world, they can also start generating their own content. So there won't be any problem for people from different language background to share the same platform. So the second dimension will be inclusive process and tools. In this case, as I don't have any professional background in web accessibility, I use web accessibility check tool named Wave to check the accessibility of Mafengwo's website. So let's have a look at the result. So that's a screenshot. You can see it had only the homepage. It has 767 errors. but most of them focus on no captioning for the pictures, and also there are empty links without any alternative text, and also it shows there are some image and buttons in really low contrast. Corresponding to these problems, my solution will be add captions to the important images and provide caption functions in the user editing panels. And the second one is that add some description to the empty links, such as those like button or dislike button or follow, because people with visual impairments, they won't be able to uh, detect those links. They don't know what that's for because the screen readers will have no information about what those links are. And the third one will be reconsidering the color conscious design of the whole website. And the last dimension is a broader beneficial impact. So the challenge for Mavongo here is the social value challenge. So as one of the most famous website, what about its social responsibility? As it has such great influence on and has such great amount of users, it may need to consider its own role it's playing right now in the society. If it provides some inclusive service and more accessible, it may also influence its users. Yeah, so that's basically my work in progress. I only have this basic structure of this design proposal right now, but I am going to expand it from now on. Thank you very much.